Hello, welcome to the world of raw talent and incredible tools coming together. Press play and dive into the action.
So if you could sign up those orders today, then you should always get them by Friday.
When you've got this kind of power, clearing a forest is just another day's work. He's clearly taken that turn more than a few times. Ever wondered how an elevator shaft gets cleaned? Well, now you know. The right way isn't rushed it step by step, just like this, with the end goal of perfection. This tool is just what any seasoned tile layer would call a blessing. Those are some of the finest chainsaws I've ever laid eyes on. There's something deeply satisfying about watching that old sign come back to life. Nah broom here? No problem. Sure, it looks simple, but one slip and those neat lines can become a jumbled mess. You can tell right away that's the touch of someone who spent a lifetime in the kitchen.
Okay, sir. Here's your guess.
This house is built entirely from glass bottles. I bet you've never seen anything quite like it. Leaving these craftsmen out of the conversation when talking about satisfying work would be a big miss.
Got a big miss. I still got a big miss.
For any man managing a cattle operation, this machine is about as perfect a fit as it gets.
Does anyone else just think, ooh, harder when they're hammering in fence posts, or is it just me?
I've seen a lot of furniture in my time, but nothing that matches the creativity of this table. Even the machines would tip their hats to how fast this man works. Hiring workers like them is a stroke of luck for any business owner. I couldn't help but picture a massive spider, now under human control. Those tasty sunflower seeds you enjoy? Well, this is where they come from. This machine can crush any kind of vegetables faster than you can blink. Feels like this beast hasn't had a meal and day sits tearing through everything without hesitation. With modern machines on your side, you get the job done faster and a whole lot safer. This machine might not look like much, but it'll send snow packing faster than you can say cold front. This thing was built for one job, and no tree stump stands a chance. Something new is about to rise right on this spot. There's something downright fascinating about how perfectly a CNC machine does its job. The way he works, you'd think someone programmed him like a machine. It's a beautiful balance man's steady hand and the machine's swift power. A steel pipe production line is hard at work. During the Lunar New Year, Vietnamese families prepare bánh chưng, a beloved holiday treat. Even if you know what you're doing, it's smart to stay alert when working with a machine like this. The guy who invented this setup should get the Genius of the Year award. You can tell that's the product of decades of hands-on work. Watch how effortlessly this laser takes off the old paint. Hang in there. The grand finale is well worth it. You won't believe your eyes. Wow, this high-pressure hose packs one heck of a punch.
I hope these moments have helped you relax after a long day at work. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos. Goodbye and see you again.